Hi, I'm David from Spit and I'm joined with Eddie from Toolden, and we're here at our service centre in Crawley where your tools get serviced and repaired. And today we're here to talk about the Pulsa P65, our nail gun designed for dry liners by dry liners.
David, would you be able to tell us what are the main benefits of having the P65 in your kit?
Absolutely. So there's many benefits and features that come with our Pulsa 65. Firstly, including our 3 years service and repair on the tool. So should there be any issues with the tool, we send the tool into the service centre where we're at now. We have it fixed, repaired and sent out to you on site, so we eliminate any downtime you may have on site. Secondly, the tool is durable, robust and lightweight, allowing an easier use of access on site, especially when firing into overhead deflection. Thirdly, the battery power and performance of the tool. Our Pulsa 65s are charged by a lithium battery, which allows for up to 10,000 shots per full charge, as well as the fuel cell, which comes in each box of our Pulsa pins. Each fuel cell allows for a minimum of 500 shots per charge. All of this adds up to 107 joules of power, allowing you to fire into even the hardest of concrete.
Moving away from the tool, David, would you be able to talk us through the pin range for this tool?
Absolutely. So our pin range is very varied, and it starts from 15mm, works all the way up to 65mm. And this is to enable application into both floor track and head track. So the P65 can fire anything from a 15mm pin all the way up to a 65mm pin. To put it simply, the P65 allows for greater efficiency and comfort on site due to its lightweight design, abilities to fire into both top track and floor track, and eliminating any need for drilling on site.
It's perfect, thank you so much. So if you want to get your hands on one, grab yours today from Toolden.co.uk.